Looking back from March 3rd, 2024. Check out these books I've been digging off into. Here we go. The next on the list is the 10X Rule by Grant Cardone. This is a very powerful book as well. Like all these books that you've seen so far, I recommend this one. This one pushes you to put yourself everywhere. Do 10 times everything you're getting off into. Here we go. Check this out, good people. Hello, good people. The 10X Rule. Man, this is an awesome book. It came out in 2011, and I've played with it, for a while, for a few years. It's like, wow. And I pulled out some of the knowledge and put it in play, and I started going, like a lot of people go to something else, some other thing. But the 10X Rule, if anybody go through the book, pull out the knowledge, put it in play, you will see a difference. Because the 10X Rule, it talks about, hey, the 4th degree of action, the third 2 success traits, and 10 times everything you do. 10 videos, 10 posts, whatever you're going to get off into, 10 times it. So you're going for 100,000, go for 100 million. My goodness. Grant Cardone is awesome. But it's a powerful book, good people. I highly recommend it. I'm going through it, parts of it, pulling it back out. And this time, with AI, I'm putting this sucker in play. That's right. That's what I'm doing. With all these books that you see I've been going through, I've gone through them in 2023. I'm impacting my life in 2024. That's right. The 10X Rule is the way to go. You can do it. You can get a book, learn from the book like I'm doing, apply the knowledge, and adjust till you get what you want. Give what you want. The 10X Rule. 10 times everything you're doing. Have a great day, good people. Let me get to the next book.